guys, welcome back to the channel. So I'm about to take you guys with me to go to the nail salon. I need to get my nails done. Look at them, not cute. I need my cuticles pushed back. They're uneven, they dirty. They just real raggedy after me getting them removed last time because the lady really was rushing through it and I didn't care. I was like, I need to hurry and get it off. Once again, I went to my lunch break. I'm always doing things during my lunch break that requires me to rush and leave not really satisfied, but you know, the job got done. That's all that matters. Like, you see the bumpiness on my nail? It wasn't, I feel like there's still like acrylic on my fingers. But I'm about to go to the nail salon here in Valdosta, Georgia. It's called Nail Expression and Spa. I've been there before. They give complimentary wine. They're really sweet, and hopefully no one's there. It's gonna be 2 o'clock. My appointment is. It's about 1:30 right now. I'm about to get in the car and head there. And it's a Wednesday. It's a Tuesday. It's Tuesday. But yeah, my goal is to start getting short, realistic, practical nails. I don't know if I'm saying this because I'm getting older or if it's just, you know, I don't want to spend so much money anymore, because your girl was spending $200, you know, to switch up the nail set, switch up the shape, switch up the colors, switch up the length, because I just didn't want to, you know, I don't care when it comes to getting what I want. I'll spend the money for it, but I don't want to have to go through periods where I don't have anything because I'm spending so much money on a set. And it's like, okay, they all broke now. Let me take them all off, because I don't want to have to search for another good nail salon to go to. So I'm trying to get something that can be easily refilled or like redone by someone else who might not have the best skills, but the basic skills, if that makes sense. So, because I travel. For those who've been watching my videos, I travel for work, and I'm tired of going to nail salons that disappoint. And at least with the French tip that I'm planning on getting, it should be less amount of times that I'm disappointed this year when it comes to the picture and what we see on my nails. Like the Pinterest picture, when I see my nails, don't be adding up. So I'm gonna show you guys a clip of some inspiration I was looking at. Tomorrow, I'm also gonna go back to the same nail salon, but I'm gonna get a pedicure with one of my best friends, Zayna. Her birthday's on the 18th. And I'm gonna treat her to a pedicure because she's been wanting to do it, but she's so busy. She's been a little bit sick. Her son was sick. She's a nurse, so she's been working hard, and I don't think she's making any plans because she's not feeling well. So I'm just gonna treat her to the pedicure because she's feeling a little better and good enough to go to work. So I'm gonna treat her to the pedicure tomorrow. I'm not doing both tomorrow because she's only getting a pedicure. That's all she wants to get because of her job, and there's not gonna be enough time because our appointment's gonna be after she gets off of work, which is 5, and our appointment's at 6. They close at 7. So I'm gonna go get my manicure today and then do the pedicure with her tomorrow. So I'll see y'all when I get there. So I just finished getting my nails done, honey. My appointment was at 2 o'clock. I didn't get into the chair until 2:30. I got there before 2, you know, try to be prompt and early. But it was worth it. I left around 5 o'clock. But y'all, look, let the sun hit that. Let it glisten for you. Do y'all see that? That is so cute. She understood the assignment. This is exactly what I wanted. Something very realistic, but still cute and classy. You know, not overdoing it. Something that I can get filled in, refilled, however you want to call it, whenever I travel. That way I'm not like looking at somebody crazy because they don't know how to get the design I want. Like, this is simple, but still classy. And I love the deep. She called it deep French. So I love how it's like a C shape for the French curve. I love that a lot. This might be my vibe for a couple of weeks, maybe for the whole year. We'll see. I didn't want a design or anything because I just don't. I like it looking real plain and crisp, to be honest. But I'm gonna go back tomorrow with my friend. I asked for Leslie and Sam, but I think Sam, or I don't know the names. One of them is booked and busy the whole day, honey, because she's that girl, I guess. And then the other girl, she had like, at first she didn't want to have any more clients. I guess she wanted to go home. I don't know, for tomorrow. But I booked with her and another girl I think named Hannah. We'll see how they do. Oh, not this truck coming and taking away my sunshine. But I'm about to go into Publix now to see if I can get my vaccination shot. I'm not doing it because I want to. I'm doing it because my job may make it mandatory, and I don't want to like go back to work and all of a sudden boom, I need the shot and I can't come to work until I get the shot, you know. I don't know. I don't also want to be on the road trying to get it if I get sick, because people have been getting sick that I know. So people don't get sick. Mama said to get the Moderna one, so I'm gonna try that one out. So I'm gonna go into Publix. It's back there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm in my Sonata. I'm really mad he took that sun from me. But yeah, I'm gonna head to Publix.
Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass.
Hey you guys. Oh, so it is the next day and I just uploaded a video. It's a Las Vegas video, so if you haven't seen it, hopefully you go watch it. I'm currently on the couch, as you can see. There goes the shot. I felt good leaving from Publix, but now as the next day later and last night, my arm was feeling very sore. It was hurting, like how you work out and your body's tense and sore. The needle actually hurt when she put it in. Like I felt it going through my muscle. I haven't had a shot in so long. I forgot what it felt like. My arm felt super sore anytime I move it. Like right now, moving it, it's hurting. And it was feeling very heavy last night. My arm felt like a block of cement. It's like I was trying to roll over and I felt like I had to like drag it with me. But I'm very tired now. She said I shouldn't have a fever, but if I do, you know, seek help. But that's all as of right now. Oh, I really love how my nails came out, you guys. They're super cute. She understood the assignment. She understood what I wanted. And I just love that. I love being able to go to somebody and show them a picture and they give exactly what the picture says. Like, even if they don't like the way it looks or don't think it's gonna look good on me, it doesn't matter because I'm paying for it. Don't convince me to do anything I don't want to do. Don't convince me to change the design of my nail because I'm the one paying for it. It looks ugly when I'm done. To you, that's fine as long as I like it. But at first she was like pink, because I asked for like a pink base, not a nude, because most people get nude with their French tips. And she was like, pink, because you know in the South where I'm from, we're not used to seeing that. When I went to New York, honey, the guy changed my life. He was like, let's do a pink base. People like pink here. And I was like, okay. So when he did that, I was like, ooh, I ain't never going back to plain brown, beige, nude. Because the beige, to me, is not hitting. This looks like very healthy, very fresh, like just very natural. The beige is natural too, but this just hits different for me. So yeah, I'm very happy about the nails. And she even was like, oh my God, they came out so nice. So she took very, she basically, you know, made sure she did it the way it needed to be done. And she did the French tip by hand with the tiny little brush or whatever. But yeah, I'm tired, y'all. So but I just want to check in and let you guys know how I'm feeling after getting the vaccination. Moderna 1. I gotta get Moderna 2 in December. But I'm tired. I'm tired now. It's only 12 o'clock. I got up at 10 or 9:30, so I shouldn't be that tired. I ate something. I had some avocado toast and egg. But yeah, I'm gonna check back in probably when we're heading back to the same nail salon to get the pedicures with Zaina. So bye. See you guys later. Heading back in part 2. Finna get these toesies done. Gonna get them done. Cheers. Cheers. So funny.
where'd you go? Oh, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time we're making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel seductive in this heat touch. I needed to.
Hi guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this vlog. I wanted to say thank you guys for all the support and all the comments and all the subscribing, the subscribers, all of you, all the new ones that just came to my channel recently. I appreciate all of you and the OGs. This vlog was made in a time frame of maybe a week and a half, and some of the videos that I'm going to insert now are just pictures and videos of my family during Thanksgiving time. Since I'm giving thanks to you guys, I also want to give thanks to my family members who do watch my YouTube videos, who support me. I love y'all. I travel for work, as y'all know, so I really don't get to see my family as much as I would like to. When I do, it's a good time. We was getting down, we was eating good. I even got to meet my the new fur babies of the family too, and some of them are passed away, which is sad too. Shout out to R.I.P. Tinkerbell and Lala. But we have King and Coco. Is it Coco or Mocha? I think it's Mocha. We have other animals and Bailey. But yes, we have some fur babies, and we have a lot of new babies too in the family. And you know, I just hope that you guys have happy holidays, and I hope you guys also enjoy your family whenever you can, because every day is not promised. But yeah, it's just always good to, even if you don't have blood relations, people that you care about, people that you know love you, make sure you spend time with them. Make sure you spend time with the pandemic, with health risks everywhere, with danger in the world. It's just important to show love and to receive it. Learn how to receive and learn how to give love. So many blessings to all of you. Namaste. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in all my other upcoming videos in 2022, because we are consistent this year. I've been consistent for the past, I want to say 3 months. For the past year, definitely. So get ready for me in 2022, baby. Get ready for me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. See ya.